Hello, so the next thing we're gonna do is work on washing our hands properly. So what you're gonna need for this one is a sink, and I'm using some shaving cream, but you can use chocolate syrup, you could use washable paint, you could use ketchup, pretty much anything that's gonna show up on their hands. So the skills that can be targeted during this are using direction words, so on top, in between, and on. You can work on WH questions like where do you need to wash still? Where is the soap? And then expanding utterances and pragmatic, so the social bit. The key words that we're going to use in this is the word wash, and the sign for wash is just moving your hands back and forth like how you would wash your hands, so wash. For the articulation, you can work on the SH sound, like in the end of wash. Tell your kids to pucker their lips, put their finger in front of their mouth, and blow. Shh. They know that's wash. Okay, so what you're gonna do is take your, whatever you're gonna use, I'm using shaving cream, and put a good amount on their hands. Have them wash like they normally would, and most kids will just do this. And they'll say, okay, I'm done. Here's where you can bring in the WH question. Say, where else should you wash your hands? So looking, you can say, look, on top. They might answer on top. If not, you can fill it in. If they just point, say yes, on top of your hands. Then have them wash on top. Then have them notice in between their fingers. Say, where else can you wash your hands? And you can point to in between their fingers. Teach them that in between is the space in between. So then have them wash in between. Have them also notice on top of their thumbs and on their wrists. So all those directional words. Then once they have soap all over their hands, that's when you can really have them ask them, like, where is the soap? And that's where they can bring in the on top, on our palms, in between our fingers, on our wrist, on our thumbs, on our fingers. Okay, once you've gone through all that and it's time to rinse them off, now is a good opportunity to work on your alphabet. So you're supposed to wash your hands for 20 seconds and the alphabet is 20 seconds long. So that's a good time to review the alphabet. Can you turn on the water? Okay, so just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.